Determined, dependable. New at 5:30. Fox 5 News, right now.
If drugs make you drowsy, we'll show you how to face the cold and flu season the natural way.
And months of renovations take state lawmakers back to the future. Georgia lawmakers opened their 2000 session today.
Civil authorities have issued an emergency action notification for the following counties/areas: Fulton County, Douglas County, Cobb County, Rockdale County, Clayton County, DeKalb County, Gwinnett County, Fayette County, active until terminated by the authorities. Recent reports from health authorities indicate a concerning public health situation resembling symptoms consistent with a flu-like virus outbreak in our region. Residents are strongly advised to take immediate precautions. Symptoms to be wary of include but are not limited to persistent fever, cough, body aches, fatigue, along with an unexpected increase in aggression and confusion among affected individuals. These symptoms may be indicative of a rapidly spreading contagion. In light of this situation, it is imperative that all residents remain indoors and limit contact with others as much as possible. Secure your homes, gather essential supplies such as food, water, and medication, and prepare to shelter in place until further notice. You suspect that you or someone in your household has been infected, it is crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Do not attempt to leave your residence unassisted. Call emergency services and inform them of your symptoms and condition. Ambulance services are mobilized and equipped to respond to medical emergencies related to this outbreak. You suspect that you or someone in your household has been infected, it is crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Do not attempt to leave your residence unassisted. Call emergency services and inform them of your symptoms and condition. Ambulance services are mobilized and equipped to respond to medical emergencies related to this outbreak. Stay informed by monitoring local news updates and official communications channels for the latest information and directives from authorities. It is crucial to follow all instructions provided and cooperate fully with emergency personnel and healthcare professionals. Please remain calm and vigilant during this challenging time. Your safety and well-being are our utmost priority. Together, we will work to mitigate the impact of this outbreak and ensure the health and resilience of our community.
What is certain is that this seemingly unexplainable mass hysteria continues to spread throughout the heartland, with injuries reported to be in the thousands.
This is an emergency alert system message issued by the Georgia Department of Public Health. The danger level is now elevated to an infectious disease advisory. The flu-like virus situation, now known as wildfire, is rapidly escalating into chaos. Reports indicate that infected individuals are causing riots, damaging property, and displaying extreme aggression, further straining our already overwhelmed hospital capacities. In response to this escalating crisis, the state of Georgia has initiated a statewide quarantine, effective immediately. This quarantine encompasses all counties within the state and aims to contain the spread of the virus while minimizing the risk to public health. Residents are urged to take immediate and comprehensive precautions to ensure their safety and the safety of their loved ones. This includes fortifying homes by barricading doors and windows, and establishing secure areas within residences for sheltering in place. Furthermore, it is crucial to stockpile essential supplies such as food, water, medication, and emergency provisions to sustain yourselves during this crisis. Ensure that you have access to communication devices and maintain contact with trusted neighbors and community members to coordinate efforts and share resources effectively. To support the efforts of emergency services, the military has been mobilized to provide assistance and maintain order. Citizens are strongly advised to remain indoors, avoid all non-essential travel, and refrain from confrontations with infected individuals. Stay informed through local news updates and official communications channels for the latest information and guidance. Your cooperation and adherence to directives are paramount in navigating this crisis and protecting the well-being of our community.
Attention citizens of Toronto, this is a shelter-in-place warning issued by the Ontario Ministry of Health. The danger level is now elevated to a critical infectious disease advisory. The flu-like virus outbreak, now designated as wildfire, has reached severe levels of contagion and mortality rates, exceeding projections. Symptoms of the wildfire virus include high fever, severe respiratory distress, persistent coughing, body aches, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. If you or anyone in your household experiences these symptoms, seek medical attention immediately and follow the advice of healthcare professionals. To ensure your safety and the safety of your loved ones, it is crucial to take immediate and comprehensive precautions. Follow these steps. Stay indoors, remain in your homes and avoid all non-essential travel. Limit contact with individuals outside your household. Secure your residence, lock all doors and windows. If possible, reinforce entry points with barricades. Consider creating a safe room within your home where you can seek refuge if necessary. Stockpile supplies, gather essential items such as food, water, medication, and emergency provisions to sustain you and your family for an extended period. Plan for at least 2 weeks' worth of supplies. Stay informed, stay updated on the latest developments regarding the wildfire virus through reliable news sources and official government channels. Follow all directives and guidelines issued by health authorities without hesitation. Practice good hygiene, wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol if soap and water are not available. Avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth. Protect yourself physically. If you must go outside, wear personal protective equipment such as masks, gloves, and eye protection. Avoid close contact with individuals who appear sick or exhibit symptoms of the wildfire virus. Monitor your health. Keep track of any symptoms you or your family members may experience. Seek medical attention if symptoms worsen or if you have difficulty breathing. Follow public health directives, adhere to all directives and guidelines issued by public health authorities without hesitation. This may include participating in testing, contact tracing, or vaccination efforts. The Canadian Armed Forces have been deployed to assist with emergency response efforts, but the situation remains critical. Your cooperation and adherence to safety protocols are vital in combating this unprecedented crisis and saving lives.
And speculation seems to surround the origin of this phenomenon. And theories include an airborne plague, a toxic chemical spill, bioterrorism, and even a spaceborne virus. And viewers should be advised that there is no official explanation.
This is a civil danger warning issued by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security in conjunction with the Georgia Department of Public Health. The flu-like virus outbreak, designated as wildfire, has reached critical levels, with widespread devastation and overwhelming demand on resources. Reports indicate that the number of infected individuals across the United States has surged to an alarming 50 million, with states east of the Mississippi River experiencing a breakdown in law and order. This outbreak resembles past pandemics like the Spanish flu of 1918 and the H1N1 flu pandemic of 2009, posing significant challenges to our healthcare systems. Due to the rapid spread, the situation requires immediate action and cooperation from everyone. In response to this emergency, It's vital to rely on accurate information from trusted sources like the CDC and WHO. Additionally, prioritize mental well-being and support those in need within our community. Furthermore, it's essential to take proactive measures to protect yourself and your loved ones. Follow hygiene protocols such as frequent hand washing, wearing masks in public spaces, and practicing social distancing. Stock up on essential supplies, including non-perishable food, water, and medications, to sustain your household during potential lockdowns or supply chain disruptions. Additionally, consider the impact of the wildfire virus on vulnerable populations, including the elderly, immunocompromised individuals, and those with underlying health conditions. Reach out to support organizations and community initiatives to provide assistance to those in need. As we confront this unprecedented challenge, let's remain vigilant and adaptable. Stay connected with family, friends, and neighbors through virtual means to maintain social connections while adhering to safety guidelines. Together, we can overcome this crisis and build a stronger, more resilient community.
We're in Notting Hill, a part of London. Who knows if this report will ever be transmitted? Communication is at best limited. The city, it seems, is being overrun with man-eating creatures. And
they're coming!
Run!
Attention citizens of London. This emergency action notification, issued by Her Majesty's government, brings urgent news regarding the American virus outbreak, known as wildfire. Major cities across the United Kingdom, including Birmingham, Manchester, Liverpool, Glasgow, and Edinburgh, are grappling with escalating challenges. Overwhelmed medical facilities and a breakdown in law and order demand immediate attention. It is crucial to rely on trusted sources such as the NHS and WHO for accurate information, prioritize mental well-being, and extend support to vulnerable populations. Adhere strictly to hygiene protocols, ensure an adequate supply of essential provisions, and foster solidarity within your community. Together, we must confront this crisis head-on and emerge stronger. This emergency action notification serves as a reminder of the gravity of the situation we are facing and the urgent need for collective action.
They are dead.
Yes, in that the circulatory, respiratory, and other vital functions have terminated, these subjects are technically deceased. Please just let me get through this and then I'll take questions.
What are you talking about? How can they be cannibals?
The infection is spread through direct fluidic contact. It must enter through the bloodstream through an open wound. Infection duration depends on the size of the wound and its proximity to a major blood vessel. Reanimation will occur no later than 1 to 5 minutes after the victim's primary life functions have expired. Once reanimation has occurred, the subject will respond with immediate homicidal aggression.
Citizens of the United States, this is a critical emergency action notification from the remaining authorities of the U.S. government. We are confronted with an unparalleled crisis as the American virus, wildfire, ravages our nation, leaving only 30 million survivors. The very foundation of our government is at risk of collapse, and the challenges ahead are daunting. It's essential to acknowledge the harsh reality that assisting citizens will be exceptionally challenging. Our resources are strained, and logistical hurdles hinder our ability to reach those in need. Nevertheless, we are committed to doing everything within our means to support and protect our fellow Americans. In these trying times, unity and resilience are paramount. We must prioritize the safety and well-being of our communities, banding together with compassion and determination. Each of us has a role to play in the collective effort to rebuild and restore our nation. Though the road ahead may be arduous, we draw strength from the resilience of the American spirit. Together, we will overcome this crisis and emerge stronger. Let us stand united in our resolve to persevere and forge a brighter future for all. This message will be continuously broadcasted until stability is restored. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay united, America. Together, we will rise above these challenges.